Lions are often portrayed as the kings of the animal kingdom, their majestic manes and powerful roars symbolizing strength and dominance. However, what truly defines their reign is the way they hunt, particularly under the cover of darkness. Their nocturnal hunting behaviors are a blend of learned strategy, instinct, and social cooperation. Here, we explore in depth how lions organize, communicate, and execute their nightly hunts. The social fabric of the pride. The foundation of any successful lion hunt is the pride itself. The social bonds between lionesses are not just strong, they are essential for the pride's survival. Female lions often remain in the same pride their entire lives, creating tight-knit units that work together seamlessly. This sense of unity extends to hunting, where trust and understanding between members lead to efficient and effective teamwork. Young cubs learn by observing and participating in hunts from an early age. A cub will mimic its mother's stalking and pouncing behavior, honing skills it will need as an adult. The older lionesses take on the role of mentors, teaching younger members not just how to hunt, but when to rest and when to act. This tradition of passing down hunting strategies is what ensures the pride's long-term success. Nighttime, the prime hunting hour. Why do lions prefer to hunt at night? The answer lies in their biology. Lions possess a higher number of rod cells in their retinas compared to their prey, allowing them superior night vision. This advantage makes night the perfect time for lions to hunt, as their primary prey, such as zebras and antelope, have poorer vision in low light. Hunting under the stars also helps lions stay cool, avoiding the midday heat that can sap their energy. The lion's nocturnal advantage is showcased during hunts where they exploit the cover of darkness to creep close enough for a sudden charge. A well-documented example involved a pride known as the Night Warriors, who famously took down a hippo, a rare and risky target. By using the natural shadows and timing their final approach just before dawn, they managed to overpower the massive animal when it was most vulnerable. The art of stalking. Stealth is an art form in the world of lion hunting. Unlike the cheetah, which relies on sheer speed, lions depend on closing the distance to their prey undetected. This means long periods of waiting and moving in short, silent bursts. A lioness might inch forward only when her prey's head is turned away, freezing as soon as it shifts its gaze. This patience can stretch for hours, with the lions waiting for the perfect moment to strike. One example involved a pride nicknamed the Shadows in the Okavango Delta. They were observed stalking a herd of buffalo for nearly an entire night, pausing every time a buffalo's ear twitched or tail flicked. When dawn began to break, they finally launched their attack, catching the herd off guard and securing a hard-earned meal. Roles within the hunt. Lions divide and conquer with precision. During a hunt, not every lioness plays the same role. Some serve as the drivers, chasing the prey toward the ambush zone, while others lie in wait, camouflaged by the tall grass. The drivers exert energy to flush out the prey, but the ambushers conserve their strength for the final leap. This strategy is particularly effective when targeting prey that runs fast, but tires quickly, such as wildebeest or zebras. In one dramatic observation in the Masai Mara, a pride executed a flawless two-tiered ambush. 2 lionesses chased a herd of zebras, while 3 others lay hidden along the herd's anticipated escape route. When the zebras ran into the ambush zone, the waiting lionesses sprang into action, securing a kill within moments. This methodical approach underlines the pride's ability to use complex strategies that increase their odds of success. The male's occasional participation. Males are not frequent participants in hunting, but their involvement is strategic and impactful when needed. This usually occurs when the prey is particularly large or strong. Male lions are built for brute force and can take down buffalo or even juvenile elephants, which pose significant risks to smaller lionesses. However, their massive manes and bulk make them less suited for stealth, so they generally stay on the periphery, waiting for the right moment to join the action. There are recorded instances where a coalition of male lions, known as the Brothers of Thunder, took down an adult giraffe. This feat required immense strength and teamwork, showcasing the unique role males play in exceptional hunts. The pride fed for days, ensuring that even the smallest cubs had their fill, an outcome that would have been less certain without the male's intervention. Communication. The silent signals. Lions possess an understated yet sophisticated form of communication during their nocturnal hunts. While most big cats rely heavily on sound to communicate, lions have developed a range of silent signals to coordinate with one another. These include flicks of the tail that convey caution or readiness, ear positions that indicate which way the prey is moving, and subtle head nods signaling when to pause or advance. Imagine a moonlit savanna, where every member of the pride is perfectly positioned. A lioness sees the flick of her sister's tail from the right flank, a cue that the prey is within striking distance. Another lioness, waiting behind a rock, reads the message and shifts her position ever so slightly. This silent choreography is crucial for avoiding detection and coordinating complex maneuvers. Even the faintest noise at the wrong time could alert their prey, causing the hunt to unravel before it even begins. Success rates and challenges. The success rate of lion hunts is surprisingly modest. Unlike the dramatized, flawless hunts seen on nature documentaries, the reality is that only 30 to 40% of lion hunts are successful. This figure varies depending on prey type, pride size, and environmental conditions. For example, a pride hunting in an area rich with impala or zebras will have a higher success rate than one forced to hunt in a region where only smaller and more agile prey, like hares, are present. An extraordinary example comes from the Serengeti, where a pride nicknamed the Night Stalkers demonstrated remarkable teamwork to take down wildebeests, despite failing multiple times before succeeding. During one hunt, the lionesses managed to isolate a strong wildebeest, but it took nearly 2 hours of relentless stalking, repositioning, and failed attempts before they finally succeeded. The younger cubs, observing from the sidelines, were seen practicing small mock ambushes on each other, highlighting how essential such hunts are for learning. Impact of environmental changes. The warming climate and erratic rainfall patterns have had a profound impact on the ecosystems that support lions. Droughts, now more frequent and severe, dry up watering holes and deplete grasslands, causing prey species such as antelope, zebras, and wildebeest to migrate longer distances to find water and food. This forces lions to roam wider areas and change their hunting tactics, which can lead to increased energy expenditure and risk of injury. The spread of invasive plant species has also altered the terrain in some regions, replacing open grasslands with denser vegetation. While this might obstruct the lion's line of sight and traditional hunting methods, some prides have shown remarkable adaptation by using these plants to their advantage, lying in wait to ambush prey unaware of their presence. This adaptive behavior underscores lions' resilience, but also points to the increasing complexity of their environment as it shifts in response to climate change. Human-wildlife interactions. As human populations grow, settlements expand into previously undisturbed lion habitats, reducing the areas where lions can hunt and live undisturbed. This encroachment forces lions into closer contact with human communities, sometimes leading them to hunt livestock as a last resort for survival. Such behavior often prompts conflicts with farmers, who may respond with lethal force to protect their herds. An example of this is seen in Kenya, where the warrior lion's pride adapted to survive near agricultural land, becoming adept at avoiding traps and teaching these evasive strategies to their cubs. While this adaptability showcases their intelligence and ability to learn, it poses a significant conservation challenge. Without adequate protected zones and conservation efforts, human-lion conflicts may escalate, threatening the balance of ecosystems and putting the species at further risk. Conservationists are working on solutions such as wildlife corridors and community outreach programs to help mitigate these conflicts and promote coexistence. The future of lion hunting dynamics. The future of lion hunting is closely tied to rapidly changing environments. Over the past decade, lions have adapted to shifting landscapes, but climate change poses new threats. Prolonged droughts are making prey scarce and less predictable, forcing lions to hunt smaller, less nutritious prey, impacting their health. A recent study in Botswana shows lions now travel farther at night, increasing exhaustion and encounters with humans. Wildlife corridors are being developed to help lions migrate safely and avoid conflicts. These conservation efforts emphasize coexistence to ensure the survival of both lion populations and human communities. Thanks for joining us on this deep dive into the mysterious world of lion hunting. If you found this video fascinating, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more wildlife insights, and hit that bell icon so you never miss an adventure. See you in the next wild story.